We offer a gentle yet powerful introduction to text-based programming with our Python Coding for Young Learners course, specially designed for elementary and junior high students ready to step beyond block-based tools. Python stands out as one of the most approachable text-based languages for beginners. Its clean, readable syntax and relaxed structure make it far more forgiving than stricter languages like C++, letting young coders concentrate on ideas and logic rather than wrestling with rigid rules. This course suits families or motivated students themselves who want to begin serious programming in a fun, supportive way. Early levels feature hands-on exercises where learners write simple but fun board games, interactive stories, mini-adventures, and basic simulations, delivering quick wins and visible results that keep engagement high. Our program includes multiple progressive levels, but many families find that completing around 6 levels, typically 18 to 30 sessions, provides a solid, confident foundation before exploring other languages. Python's widespread adoption makes this an especially strategic starting point. It leads in high-impact fields like data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, automation, and more, powering tools and innovations at companies such as Google, NASA, Instagram, and leading research institutions worldwide. In our broader coding pathway, Python is the recommended first step into versatile, industry-level coding. Once comfortable, students can smoothly advance to languages such as JavaScript for web interactivity, Java for structured applications, or C++ for performance-focused systems, with Python's concepts serving as a strong, transferable bridge. For young learners eager to explore serious programming in an enjoyable, low-pressure environment, our Python Coding for Young Learners course provides the ideal foundation, equipping them with skills that remain relevant in tomorrow's tech landscape.